Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use order flow in GoCharting in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to come here on GoCharting.com. Afterwards, log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, use the search bar in order to launch the chart of that particular asset, the chart of which you want to analyze and on which you want to use the order flow. Now, as you can see, I've opened the chart of XZU USD. So when you are here on the chart, simply click on these three dots on the top right hand corner of the screen first. Now, among the given options, you just have to make sure that the indicators option is ticked. So if it is unticked, you just have to click on the option of this box in order to basically get this tick mark. Now you just have to click on this study option. So when you click on it, you are going to see a bunch of different options over here in this list, including order flow. So when you click on the option of order flow, you are going to see a bunch of different types of order flows available. So we have bar statistics, delta bars, OI sense, and much more. So you can click on any one of these. You can also mark this heart icon in order to basically favorite that particular order flow. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.